got caught with our pants down today. We were kind of waited to see what the moisture was going to be on this, and sent the truck from last night down and seen what the moisture was going to be on it, and thought we had time for them to get back. Was sitting up on the bend, and it's done got hot again, back up in mid-90s today and tomorrow. Then it's going to cool back down, but truck got back before we got ready, so we're trying to get him a load right now. We'll bring you back later. Well, we got this on the what's on the grain cart should fill this truck. As I've explained before, I fill up the front of the trailer and the back of the trailer, the first 2 cart loads, and then I fill in the center with a 3rd cart load. First load, put in the bin, 2023. Let's go catch another load. Well, I've been running the short truck. Just got back on the grain cart. Truck driver's here. We have finished another field and starting another little one. Hopefully get it knocked out today and either get the headlands or start on another bigger field across them woods tomorrow. That's my plans anyways. So maybe we'll get the truck driver full and another load gone this afternoon. Not gonna say no names, but somebody got their back tire a little too close to the trailer there. Alright, it was me. I done it. Well, we're trying to knock this little corner out before the day's over with. Truck's about full. Sun's going down that time of day. And when you got dirty windows, it's kind of hard to see. So probably after this load, I'm going back to the white truck and haul a load or two. It was trying to run hot with me, so that's something I got to look at in the morning. If you watched the video where I fuss about the reverse racism on the Little Mermaid, I think the plans, what I've been seeing, they're live action in Snow White. I don't know what nationality the woman is, really don't care, but from the photo I saw, she looks like Michael Jackson. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Got a load on that one for in the morning. He still likes a few passes on this back field back here. He put a little bit on the white truck. I'm fixing to move it closer to the combine and probably be done for the day here in a few minutes. That green stuff out there, that's sickle pod. Seems like this field is bad with it every year. Wanted to get that sunset in here. This will probably be it for today filming. We'll bring you back tomorrow. Be over there on the other side of that tree line if the moisture's down. If not, we'll try to find a field with low moisture. Well, good morning. I came in yesterday afternoon right at dark. Started unloading this. It's not fully unloaded. Got smelling something. This gearbox here was cherry red. So it's went out. Been messing with it this morning. Finally found one. And got to measure the shafts. There's two different ones. This is a Farm King brand auger made by Federal. Federal's been sold. So the guy who sold us the auger, I don't think he's a Farm King dealer now, but he's the one helping us out trying to find it. So I gotta figure out which shaft we got and get one ordered. So in the meantime, it's going to be a slow go. We'll just have to fill the semi and wait. So we kind of got a late start as usual, dealing with the gearbox on the auger, but I do have one on the way. So we're going to try to get a load loaded up before lunch because we're going to be sitting, and he's got a good part of on the combine, a good part of the augers, and I've got that. Try to go cut Doug a load before lunch, and we'll take lunch while we're waiting on him and try to have him another half load when he gets back. We're trying to get the truck a place cut out. Looking right here, there's not too big of ears. And the last truckload last night was 18% moisture, so we'll have to see what the moisture is on this load. We may be moving. If we'd had the bins working, I was going to bring the white and red truck, and a pretty good size field here. I was wanting to get it done today, but we'll get done what we can get done. That's all you can do. Let's just cut up through the middle of the field. That's what we did. So he wanted me to meet him, and I hope he realizes that I cannot turn this thing around in 2 rows. This thing, that's one thing I don't like about this tractor. It takes a lot to turn it around. But we got some good ears, some that ain't as good looking, so really don't know what this will turn out. But he's starting to get a little bubble up on top. Kind of unloading on the wrong end, but like I said, I couldn't get turned around. And I guess I'll have to run over some corn, get turned around this time, because I'll be ready to go to the truck. You gotta do what you gotta do. I gotta get headed the right direction. I got room to turn now. We got the truck full, got part on the grain cart and some on the combine, so we're gonna send him off and go take a long lunch. Hurry up and wait. Well, I come down this end because I thought he was gonna need me, and he's already worked his way back to that end, so I need to go down there, I guess. We're waiting on the truck to get back. He should be back within about 45 minutes, 40 minutes. So we're in no big hurry. It's sit around and wait time. And I forgot until the truck driver, Doug, reminded me, the driver, he still drives part-time for a company, and he's going to drive for them tomorrow. So unless I can find somebody to drive grain cart, it's going to be another slow day tomorrow. Do have a new gearbox for our auger on its way from South Dakota. Maybe be here Friday, today's Wednesday, Friday or Saturday. The guy wouldn't next day it, so it's going to be a slow few days. But maybe it'll give us a chance to let this corn dry down. Well, he's going to run a little bit more, get a full load. He put a little bit more on me, but it's time to go sit in the shade. While we're sitting here waiting, let's look at some of these ears here. not too bad. See how this here is pointing up. That's not a bad one. It's what you want. When corn's good and ready, it's pointing down. But we ain't got time to wait on all that. Not the best looking ears I've ever seen, but definitely worth running a combine through. Well, there's a shady spot down there in the corner of the field. That's where I'm headed to till the truck gets here. Well, since I'm waiting on the truck, I'm doing a little tractor house shopping. Couple of rippers here I'm looking at. None of them close, but I was hoping, as dry as it is, we could blow through corn and have a week or two before soybeans, and maybe go look at something like this, and we're going to plant some wheat. But there's one on here that I may call about while I'm waiting, and if it's what I think it is for the price, I may go ahead and send them a check and just pick it up later. Well, the truck's back, so we're gonna work a few minutes and then I guess sit around again for a while. May go back to shop and work on something, I don't know. I don't like this. We was like this, that white truck tore down 2 years ago, and we were dependent on the semi going to market. So hurry up and wait. He's gonna make it or not, so I'm coming to him. Well, we've been sitting for about an hour. Got a cart and a combine full, and repeat the process again. If he can ever get in the center there. We got half this field knocked out. Ain't too bad considering we're down to a truck that it's a 2 hour turnaround, sending them down to Florence. So it's been pretty much hurry up and wait. That's the last truck of the day. He got about an hour and 20 minutes to get down there. Takes him 45 minutes to get there. So last truck of the day, and we're going to fill the combine. He's done put some on the grain cart. We're going to fill the grain cart, fill the combine. I'm trucking tomorrow, so we'll just put that on tomorrow, the next video. Change things up a little bit. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Had a lot of new subscribers this last video. Thank you, and leave me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Everybody's on the go today.